Hey guys, this is Alex. In today's video, we're gonna help you up with My Eyes only not loading or not working on Snapchat. If you ask, what's the My Eyes feature on Snapchat? Well, this is basically a feature that allows you to lock your picture and video with a passcode. The main reason behind the issue is that you may either have problem with the internet or you may have issues with some minor bugs. Therefore, the first way of solving your issue would be switching Wi-Fi to cellular or cellular to Wi-Fi. Next, go ahead and check your Snapchat if the issue is solved or not. If you're still having the same issue, open Settings, scroll down, tap on Apps, tap on Manage Apps, find out Snapchat. Tap Files and Media, choose Allow Access. Tap Back. Now tap Clear Data, also clear your cache data. Now check your Snapchat again. If you still have the same issue, last but not the least, delete or uninstall the app and reinstall it. After doing all the troubleshooting process, you'll be able to solve your My Eyes only on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching.